Okay, bye bye. Let's go.
I might have left it a little bit too late to leave the house, and I have about an hour and 10 minutes to get to the train, so it's pretty far away. Wish me luck, guys. Oh no.
So I just missed the train. Time now 7:25, and my train leaves at 8:30, and I'm very far away from it.
Made it! Oh my god, that was exciting! I've got 25 minutes to spare, including getting to the gate, checking in, getting food, but I think I should be okay. Okay, but maybe not, because the driver dropped me off at the wrong gate, and so now we really have to hurry now. Check this out, this is so awesome. This is like a telemedicine kiosk, and it's only 30 baht. You go inside, and then you take your blood pressure. No all sorts of things. Very cool. Oh man. And then there's the line. Jesus. So, anxiety after anxiety. Oh my goodness. Oh. And car number 12. So, all the way to the end. By the way, this is like third class train. It's a nicer version of third class because they have like nice cushiony seats. The older ones that are literally like just student seats. And then this is, I think, second class fan. Oh, well, at least we made it. And the train is purple. Purple train. All right, we made it. Okay. Number 11. Made it with 7 minutes to spare. Oh. So this is the general vibe. I think because I booked the train loaded, so we end up getting like a pretty basic one. It's okay. So for those who are wondering, this is what the inside, like the upper berth looks like. They have these like belt system, so that I guess to prevent you from falling off to your death. And then there's a proper pillow, freshly washed blanket, and then lights that don't work. So this is one of the things I love about the train. There are vendors walking around and selling food. Grandma literally buys every single thing. Literally every vendor who passes by, she buys things from. It's so cute. So lively. Someone is walking around still. Oh my god. Tuna noodles. Oh, so fun. Oh, this is หมูปิ้ง
รับอะไรไหมครับ
ไม่เอาค่ะ
หมูปิ้งหมูย่างไหมครับหมูปิ้งนมสดไหมครับ
What did I say? It's literally impossible to starve in Thailand. ไม่เอาค่ะไม่เอากินไม่เป็นค่ะขอบคุณค่ะไม่เอาค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
เชียงหมูนครปฐมไม่ทานค่ะ
Oh my god, guys! I just got reminded of how fun it is being on a Thai train, and it's literally like impossible to starve. All you have to do is stay in your spot, be stationary, and there are like people constantly walking around selling food. And there's this one lady that just walked past and she was selling like a 10 baht fish noodle. Unfortunately, I'm like very, very full, or I would have just bought it from her just to try it. Good morning. I am about to reach Surat Thani train station, and it was such a bad sleep last night. But anyway, so the plan today is to just explore around the city a little bit, and then we're gonna spend one night in a hotel near the trek, and trekking starts tomorrow. So today is a day of exploring Surat Thani. Gonna go find some yummy food, see where I can leave my bag and stuff like that.
Platform number 1 is the rapid train number 167 bound for
We are here! Hello, Surat Thani! Let's go.
So I think first mission is to go leave my big backpack somewhere, and then we're gonna go explore.
Hi, friend! Okay, I have decided. So the train station is about maybe like 25 minutes away from the city center. So instead of like leaving my bag here, go exploring the city center and coming back here again, I'm just gonna take my backpack with me,
And then I don't know, check into a hostel or something just so that I can leave my bag there, maybe have a shower, and then go out to explore. We don't know. I don't know yet. We shall see. We shall see.